Most people think AI is only for programmers or tech experts. But what if I told you that regular beginners are making real money using AI tools starting from zero? In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can start, even if you've never earned online before. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about AI tools, online skills, and simple ways to earn money online. Today's video is a complete beginner guide to making money with AI. No experience, no fancy setup, just clear steps. First, let's clear one thing up. AI does not magically send money to your bank account. AI helps you do work faster, improve quality, and offer services you couldn't before. You still earn money by solving problems for people, and AI helps you do that better. One of the easiest ways to start is AI content writing. With AI, you can create blog posts, website content, product descriptions, and social media captions. Beginners can start by picking one writing service, using AI to generate content, editing it slightly to sound natural, and offering it on freelancing platforms. Charging $25–50 per task, just 2 jobs per day can change your income. Small businesses need content, but they don't know AI. You can help them by creating posts using AI, writing captions, and scheduling content. You don't need to post every day. Even 5 clients paying $200 per month equals $1,000. This method works great for beginners. If you like visuals, this is powerful. AI tools help you create thumbnails, flyers, Instagram posts, and simple logos. You don't need design skills. Charge per design or monthly packages. Consistency here brings fast results. Short videos are everywhere right now. You can use AI to add captions, create voiceovers, and turn long videos into shorts. Creators pay good money for this. Just 2 clients can cover your first $1,000. This is where most people get stuck. A simple strategy is to pick one service, create 2 to 3 sample works using AI, message small creators or businesses, and keep it short and helpful. You don't need to sound perfect. You just need to start. Let me be real with you. AI is a tool, not a shortcut. If you learn one skill, practice daily, and stay consistent for 30 days, your first online income is very possible. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment AI income if you're serious about starting. More beginner-friendly AI videos are coming soon. See you in the next one.